In a world where true beauty reigns, where an individual shines brighter than the sun, and everyone feels beautiful in their own way, there's my eternal beauty. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you 4 steps to help your skin. First, you want to pull back your hair so it doesn't get in your face. You can use many different methods to do so. Next, I'm applying my favorite cleansing cream, and this is going to start to really open up those pores, and your top layer of skin is really going to clear it up and get all that residue from your makeup or your hair products off. So after you follow the directions, then you're going to clean it off. Now I'm cleaning mine off in an upward motion, and what this does is basically it gives you a facelift without having to do surgery, so that's pretty cool. So make sure you get all of the cream off. And now you're going to use a facial scrub. Now the facial scrub, you're only supposed to use, I believe, about 2 times a week. But what this does is it exfoliates your skin, which gets all the dead skin off, which makes your skin have that nice healthy glow and makes it really soft. So this particular facial scrub I got from Sally's, and it's all natural, doesn't have any harsh chemicals on it. And so after you rub it in and get all the dead cells off, then you're just going to use the same method as before and clean it off. Now after you're done, you can take a dry cloth that you use for your face and wipe it off. If not, then go ahead and apply your astringent or your toner. I'm using a version of witch hazel, and what this does is it closes your pores so that after you've cleaned them, of course, you want to make sure they're closed so no more dirt gets in. Alright, so now for your final step, you're going to apply your moisturizer. Now, your skin has been dehydrated, and because this is new skin that comes up, it needs to have tender love and care. So that's why you're applying the moisturizer, and this will also aid you in having that soft skin feel. Now, you only need a little bit of moisturizer because if you use too much, then your skin's going to look pretty oily, and there is nothing worse than after cleaning your face, it looks like you really need to clean your face a second time. So you can clean off your eyebrows if you want. And so those are my 4 steps to get a cleaner face and to get your skin to really shine. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to rate and comment.